I was winding up full speed there. This is a big pollock. Jeepers! Stop! Stop! It's not stopping.
Going down.
Oh, aye, is it?
Not a seal, is it?
Jeep. What the hell about?
Might it be a wrasse?
No, it's not a wrasse.
You got your GoPro on?
Ooh. This
Have you got your GoPro
I
on?
have, yes. This is the biggest pollock I've ever hooked into. It's just not stopping. I can't be out with it. Look at that, man. What the hell? What is it? Right, tighten that up. It's shaking its head, whatever it is. This is a beast. This is the biggest. What on earth? Oh, it's giving a bit. Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. I haven't got a net, no. We're gonna see what it is soon, I hope. It followed up. Up. What the hell? What? It's not stopped. What the? It's got to be a seal. Surely it's a seal. I've hooked a seal. Look at it, it's away. It's a seal. Damn. Has it got me fish? A seal's grabbed the fish that I've been playing. A seal's just grabbed it. Oh, don't! Just give us it back, mate. Give us it back. I want to see what it is. Give us it back. I want me fish. I want me fish. Oh! That fish was coming up and then it's just been caught by a seal. Right, I've got the fish again. It's left loose. Ah, it's grabbed it again. Come on. Give us me fish. Give us me fish. Give us me fish. Oh, it's a huge pollock. I've got it. It's been chewed to bits. Oh, and the lure's just come out in its mouth. It was a sidewinder.
Oh, right.
Up yours. Well, that pollock's dead. Eh? Oh, it's well chewed up. Well, that was quite exciting. Never done anything like it. But that's what I've ended up with.
Is that the line right down here? Is one on it?
No, that's the one that I just had on the deck. And that fish has been chewed up by the seal and it's dead now, so it's going home with it.
Well, that's not really, is it?
No.
Do you think it was?
The seal must have just kept coming up and grabbing it and then dropping it, and grabbing it and dropping it.
Do you think that's what the fight was?
Eh?
Do you think that's what the fight was?
That was the biggest part of the fight.
Where is it? Let's have a look